Sure. Here's a detailed 1600-word YouTube article on the KAMAZ-6350 for Rona 2025, written in an engaging and informative tone suitable for narration. In the rugged world of military logistics and off-road transport, one name has earned enduring respect for its power, endurance, and sheer utility: the KAMAZ-6350. As we step into Rona 2025, this legendary 8-wheeled powerhouse continues to hold its ground as a cornerstone of Russian military mobility. It's more than just a truck. It's a lifeline, a mobile fortress, and a symbol of unstoppable engineering. At first glance, the KAMAZ-6350 imposes itself with sheer size. Designed to operate in the harshest terrains, from Siberian tundra to muddy forest roads, this vehicle is built on a full-time all-wheel drive system. Its 8x8 drivetrain ensures that no wheel is ever left out of the traction equation. Whether it's hauling artillery, transporting troops, or serving as a platform for advanced weapon systems, the 6350 adapts and thrives. Powered by a turbocharged V8 diesel engine, the KAMAZ-6350 delivers 360 horsepower and a massive torque reserve, giving it the muscle to carry payloads of up to 10 tons. It's mated to a 16-speed manual gearbox that provides a wide range of gear ratios, allowing the driver to navigate everything from highway speeds to crawling over rocks and debris. And despite its military applications, it's designed with serviceability in mind, making repairs and maintenance manageable even in the field. But what truly sets the KAMAZ-6350 apart is its adaptability. The base chassis is incredibly versatile and can be fitted with various modules, from troop transport cabins and field kitchens to radar systems, communication stations, and even missile launches. This flexibility has made it a preferred platform not just for the Russian armed forces, but also for emergency response units and peacekeeping operations in remote regions. Inside, the cabin is all business. It seats 3: driver, commander, and 1 additional crew member. Though utilitarian, the interior is rugged and functional, with basic comfort features like heating systems for freezing conditions and ventilation to cope with the heat. Its elevated seating position offers excellent visibility, crucial when navigating obstacles or maneuvering in tight field conditions. What's impressive is the level of off-road performance this truck achieves. The KAMAZ-6350 can ford water up to 1.75 meters deep without preparation and climb gradients of 60%. Its suspension system, which includes leaf springs and hydraulic shock absorbers, is optimized for both load-bearing and terrain absorption. Even fully loaded, it can maintain stability over uneven ground, ensuring cargo or personnel safety. The truck's massive tires come with a central tire inflation system, allowing the driver to adjust pressure on the go. This gives it a strategic advantage when moving between road and off-road environments, especially in emergencies or combat scenarios. It's an underrated feature that dramatically enhances the vehicle's survivability and reach. While most military trucks are content with brute strength alone, the KAMAZ-6350 balances power with endurance. Its fuel tank has a capacity of 350 liters, allowing it to cover over 1,000 kilometers without refueling. That's a vital stat when operating far from supply lines or in contested areas where fuel convoys are risky. In Rona 2025, where mobility and rapid deployment are more critical than ever, the KAMAZ-6350 continues to serve as a key logistical backbone. It's a truck that has evolved through experience, lessons learned in Chechnya, Syria, and in countless training drills across the harsh terrains of the Eurasian continent. Its proven reliability under fire is what gives soldiers confidence when they're on the move. The role of the KAMAZ-6350 in joint military exercises has only grown in recent years. At events like Zapad and Vostok, it's a common sight, ferrying bridging units, carrying drones, and even deploying mobile command centers. With the growing importance of network-centric warfare, the 6350's role has expanded to include support for mobile C4ISR systems, making it an essential asset in modern battlefield communication and coordination. Despite its military origin, there's growing interest in the KAMAZ-6350 from civilian sectors too. Rescue teams, oil and gas explorers, and even extreme adventurers have adopted customized versions of the 6350 chassis for operations in environments where traditional vehicles simply can't go. Its reliability in freezing temperatures and remote locations has earned it legendary status far beyond military ranks. One of the reasons the KAMAZ-6350 remains so dominant is KAMAZ's own legacy of engineering. The brand has decades of experience building for harsh conditions, and the 6350 is a product of continual refinement. While the basic design hasn't changed drastically, upgrades in electronics, braking systems, and emission control have kept it compliant with evolving standards. And now, for Rona 2025, KAMAZ is testing hybrid propulsion systems on the 6350 platform, an exciting development that could blend diesel strength with electric stealth and efficiency. In combat scenarios, stealth isn't just about silence, it's about logistics. The quieter a support vehicle is, the less likely